Hello everyone, welcome to another Amazon tutorial video. In today's tutorial video, I will show you how to track orders on your Amazon with tracking ID. So if you don't know how to find your tracking ID or your orders, you will need to go into Amazon. You will need to log in into Amazon, and from here, just go to returns and orders. You have this, so you can go here. Or what you can do is, as you can see, I have 0 orders, so I don't have orders, but here you will see the orders in the past, 30 days, past 3 months, 2023, or archived orders as well. But basically, you want to go with active orders. Just go here and make sure you can go and click on the order and see for the order tracking ID. Alternatively, you can also go here and go to the orders, and then from here you will land on the same page as well, and here you will be able to see your orders. Now also, if you got an Amazon email, you should get a tracking ID within email, because Amazon is sending emails after every single purchase. And again, if it's not shipped yet, it will be in the not shipped section here. If it's a digital order, again, it will be different. But if it's just a normal order, it will be right here, and you will be able to see the order and track the order on Amazon using the tracking ID link. Now, hopefully this helps you out. Again, if you have any questions or comments, you can see more Amazon tutorials and more tech tutorials and AI tutorials on our channel. And yeah, we'll see you in the next upcoming tutorials. Thank you guys for watching.